Hi guys, I'm so happy to see you. Today I have a really great book to read to you about, does anybody know what kind of flower that is? That's called a sunflower. Sunflowers are a very beautiful and bright and cheerful flower that grow really, really tall. Let's learn some more about them. The name of this book is Seed to Sunflower. All plants have to start out as what? A teeny tiny seed. And then you plant it in the soil and it grows and grows and grows. Let's see how sunflowers grow. We're going to learn a lot of new words today, guys. Are you ready? This is a science book. What is a sunflower? A sunflower is a type of plant. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. The roots grow down, 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 and the stem right there grows up, up, up. You can see some roots in this picture. You guys see that? Here are the roots. Here is the stem. Here are the leaves. And there are the flowers. Sunflowers grow in yards and parks. Farmers also plant them in fields so they can sell the seeds. A seed is no bigger than your fingernail, but each seed can grow into a tall sunflower. The story of how a seed grows into a plant is called a life cycle. Let's look at the life cycle of a sunflower. First, there is the teeny tiny seeds. Then it starts to grow and there's a shoot. The stem is popping up, that's the shoot. And then it grows into a tall, tall flower. Pretty cool. When a sunflower seed is planted in soil and watered, it may begin to grow. This is called, you guys ready for this big giant word? This is called germination. When a seed finally starts to grow, that means it has been germinated. It's called germination. Can you guys say that? Germination. Great job. The seed's outer shell softens and it splits open. And then a tiny root grows from the seed down into the soil. Let's check this out. You guys ready? Here we go right here. The seeds are planted. And then a shoot pushes up through the soil and the roots grow down. And then the shoot grows bigger. That's that stem coming up. The shoot grows bigger. And then the outer shell of the seed falls off. And then the two small leaves open. That means it's been germinated. It's growing. So a very, very small, teeny tiny plant like this that's just starting to grow is called a seedling. Can you guys say that word? Seedling. Great job. We're learning a lot of new words today. Once the seedling has leaves, it makes its own food. The leaves use sunlight to make food from the air and from the water. Plants need sun and air and water and soil to grow. The green leaves turn to face the sun. They collect as much sunlight as possible. Each leaf has teeny tiny holes which let air into the leaf. The seedling's roots, can you guys see the roots? Right here, the seedling's roots soak up water from the soil. The seedling grows bigger every day. As it grows, new leaves appear. So look, here's the same plant. It started off pretty small, but look how it's growing and growing. There's a lot of leaves on that plant now, and it's getting taller. All right, let's talk about this. This is the coolest part. In the summertime, a green flower bud forms. Remember we talked about buds? That's what it looks like right before the flower opens up, okay? The flower has a flat center. There it is right there. All right, then the next thing that happens is, first the green leaves open. So here it looks first, and those green leaves right there in the middle are open. And what do you think comes next? And then, look at that, guys. The petals are opening up. The petals are yellow. And then when that opens all the way up, it grows bigger and bigger until it's a big, giant sunflower. And right here in the middle is where all the seeds are starting to grow now, so that it can start over again and make new sunflowers next year. Look at that. What's that? Bees, butterflies, and other insects are attracted to the flowers. They see the bright petals and they smell the sweet nectar. Nectar has lots of sugar in it. That's what butterflies like to drink. The flower also has lots of pollen. Look at that bee. Can you see the pollen? The yellow pollen stuck all over the bee? Insects carry pollen from one plant to another plant. And then they go and make yummy honey. All right, look at that. Can you see the seeds? See how they're turning to black sunflower seeds now? By the end of the summer, the plant looks old and tired. It's not as yellow anymore. The petals aren't very big anymore. Can you guys see that? But it's still alive. It is growing lots of healthy seeds. The seeds swell and they can turn black, or some are striped. Can you see? Do you remember when we had those big sunflowers back in the fall and we were taking all the seeds out of it? That's what this kid's doing too. He's pulling out the seeds and he's making a little pile right there. And those are the seeds that he can plant next year. The seeds are ripe and full of food. They fall to the ground and they are eaten by birds and squirrels and mice. When spring comes, the seeds that are in good soil begin to germinate and grow again. They will grow into new plants and the whole life cycle begins again. Isn't that neat? I'm going to show you guys this right here. I showed you in my garden the other day that there were some teeny tiny sunflower seedlings growing. Marshall plants sunflowers every year for the birds to eat, and they look really pretty and cheerful in my garden. So here is a pack of sunflower seeds, okay? And look, I'm going to open this up and pour a seed out to show you guys, because this seed is so small. Can you see? Look at that. That's how big the seed is. It's so small. It's not very big, is it? That's what the seed looks like for the sunflower. And these sunflowers are some of the biggest sunflowers that can grow. These sunflowers grow 6 feet to 10 feet tall. That is bigger than everybody's moms and dads. These sunflowers grow so tall. They will be over my fence, over my head, when they grow all the way up. And it all starts from this teeny tiny little seed. Isn't that amazing? So that's how sunflowers grow, and it's a really cool process. All right, before we go, I have a special little poem to read to you about sunflowers. So I'm going to say some words and then you repeat after me. You guys ready? Sunflower, sunflower, turn towards the sky, grow like a beanstalk, 10 feet high, large golden petals, a center full of seeds, give hungry birds all the food they need. Good job, guys. I will talk to you soon. I love you. I miss you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.